Want to build a regional and product sales performance dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our sales data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly and we're ready to go. Now, we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data right now, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically determining the best visualizations for our sales information, creating charts for regional performance, product analysis, and sales trends. The AI is building everything from scratch, no manual work required. Our regional and product sales performance dashboard is now complete with 6 interactive charts and 2 detailed tables covering sales by region, product performance, monthly trends, and top salespeople. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for presenting insights, with clean layouts and professional styling that makes data storytelling effortless. We exit presentation mode and return to our interactive dashboard where we can explore data, apply filters, and dive deeper into any metric. Everything updates in real time as we scroll through our comprehensive analytics. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.